What's up? How's it going, guys? I have before you another watch review. Um, this one is just it's a real amazing piece, I feel, and it's the Rolex Sea Dweller reference 16600. This one is it's a great piece. You know, I've owned the Submariner, and Submariner is a great one too. I had the 14060, the two-liner. However, this is definitely a step above in terms of technological advancements, and it's also a lot more substantial. Right, the Sea Dweller is a pretty thick watch. However, it's very well proportioned, and it's very elegant in its design. Right, obviously, it doesn't have um, the same prestige as or the same popularity as the Submariner, but I feel that this is definitely my preference over the Submariner. The Sea Dweller is just something a little more different, and of course Rolex has released the Sea Dweller 43, and it now has the Cyclops, but this one just makes it so different, and because it doesn't have the Cyclops, but it still has a date feature. I think this is the only model that Rolex has ever made that that does this, right? Really beautiful piece. Might be a little bit busy for some people in terms of the dial layout, right? You have 4 lines of text, you have a date, helium escape valve. One thing I want to demonstrate is how to release the extension, the diver's extension over here. You see that little O, right? What you got to do is you have to press it and then pull. With the Submariner, the 93150 bracelet, it was just, you just pulled it out. But this one is a little more complex in that I actually had to research it online to figure it out, because I was just pulling it. I assumed it was the same as a Submariner, but it's different, right? So there's an O there. Press it, it releases the extension. So that's pretty cool, pretty ingenious actually. Beautiful watch, stunning piece. I definitely would choose this over the Rolex Submariner, especially if you're looking for one without, you know, some people do not like the Cyclops, but they want a date feature, and this watch is really, in that sense, perfect. Right. Beautiful piece. Really enjoy owning this Sea Dweller. And you know what? These have kind of come down in price, and they have not appreciated as much, I find. What has appreciated in terms of Rolex dive watches are the Rolex two-liner, the 14060. Those have gone through the roof. However, the Sea Dweller has kind of stagnated. These can be had, you know, I've seen them go for about 8,000 US dollars, which in my opinion is good buying for a Rolex dive watch. I definitely choose this over any of the ceramic dive watches. With the exception of the Rolex Sea Dweller 4000, I really like that piece too. But I feel that this one is the perfect Rolex dive watch, for me at least. Solid end links. Right, that was one thing I didn't quite like about the 14060, was that it had hollow end links and it just kind of rattled a bit. Some people like it. I mean, it was okay too, right? Because it was hollow, it just made the bracelet a lot lighter, and sometimes that's a little more practical. This is definitely a lot heftier and a heavier watch compared to the Submariner with the hollow links. But both are great, you know. If you're into minimalism, you want something simple, then the Rolex Submariner 14060 is for you. But this one's a true professional's watch, right? Really professional look to it. 4,000 feet. No one's gonna dive to 4,000 feet. You get crushed under those pressures. So it's a little overkill right there, right? But hey, that's what Rolex does, you know. It's just they just create over-the-top measuring instruments, professional watches, right? Let's do a little shot. Right, my wrist is about 6 3/4 inches. It sits a little high, that's for sure, but very proportional. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm out.